Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Our travel trailer is a 2005 Springdale, and because it sits outside, there is a little weathering, so today, we'll be upgrading our RV metal steps, giving them a fresh and durable finish, for less than $15. So, let's get started. As you can see, the top of the steps are worn with a little surface rust, and since these steps are behind the wheels, they do get some road rash. The first step is to prepare the surface for the new finish. We want to make sure we have a clean and smooth surface to work with. For this, we'll need a few tools and materials. Gather some sandpaper, wire brush, paint thinner, masking paper, and tape. Let's dive in. Begin by using sandpaper or a small sander, like I am using here, to remove any existing paint or rust from the metal steps. This step is essential as it helps the new finish adhere better and provides a smoother finish. Be thorough and ensure you cover all the areas of the steps, including the underside surfaces, when the steps are folded up. Once the sanding is complete, grab a wire brush and use it to scrub away any remaining debris, rust, or loose particles from the steps. This will help us achieve a clean surface and rough up the surface also before moving on to the next step. Now, it's time to clean the metal steps, and for this I used a paint thinner that I had, but you can use any cleaner to remove the sanding dust. I applied a small amount of the paint thinner on a clean cloth and wiped down the entire surface of the steps. This step ensures that any grease, dirt, or oils are completely removed, giving us a pristine surface to work with. Make sure you fold up the steps and wipe down the underside. Wipe off the side support plates of the steps also. Our steps have anti-slip strips, and they are in good condition, so I am leaving them on. If yours are peeling up, scrape them off, and clean the surfaces. Before we start spraying the final finish, we need to protect the surrounding areas from the overspray. To do this, cover the adjacent surfaces with masking paper and secure it with masking tape. This will prevent any accidental paint damage and keep the focus solely on the steps. Now for the coating that I selected. I chose Rust-Oleum Truck Bed Liner. This is a thick coating that is also non-slip and durable. I am doing black, but it does come in other colors. The cost is pretty low, and I paid about $12 for one can, and I will leave a link below for what I bought. Let's get ready to spray, so shake thoroughly as per the instructions on the label. Hold about 8 to 12 inches away from the surface, and start spraying in a steady, back and forth motion. Ensure that you cover all areas evenly, including the corners and edges. I sprayed the top of the steps first, let them dry, then folded the steps in and sprayed the bottom. Pull the steps out and spray again. Apply a couple thin coats instead of a single heavy one for the best results. Allow each coat to dry, and apply again. I did 2 heavy coats, and it turned out amazing. And there you have it. Your metal steps have been transformed into a sleek and durable finish. The bed liner not only enhances the appearance, but also provides excellent protection against rust and wear. Thank you for joining us on this RV step upgrade project. We hope you found this helpful. With just a few simple steps, you can give your RV metal steps a fresh and long-lasting finish for a very low cost. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy RVing!